Are you looking for a curtain bang unit that's ready to wear right out of the package? Well, you've come to the right place. I have this unit here from Cynosure Hair, and this unit comes with a lot of free goodies, okay? We get a HD wig cap. It comes with two inside. You also get two pairs of really beautiful lashes. You know, I'm a lash girl. And we get a melting band. And inside of here is actually a makeup brush. So this is a unit that we have today. This is a 24-inch and it is a 13x4. As you guys can see, it comes with these beautiful rollers in there. And look at this texture. It's such a pretty body wave texture. Absolutely love it. This is the inside of the unit. It has a lot of parting space here, and you get an adjustable elastic band, and you get 4 different combs. You also have this C-curve feature that goes right around your ears, so you don't have to worry about that irritating flap, and I love that about this particular unit. So first we're going to start off by putting some makeup on that hairline part there just to help it blend in a lot better. This is key to making your unit look good. And then you want to adjust your elastic band before you put the unit on. As you guys can see, I just slide that right over, flip the hair back, and voila. This is a completely glueless install, you guys. As you guys can see, we have these rollers here. I'm just going to fix that lace so it lays flat, but the lace is pre-cut for you as well. So you just want to unroll those rollers and boom. Now I would say to keep those rollers so that later on if you want to tie your hair up at night you can use the same rollers. This unit is literally ready to wear, but we are going to freshen this up just a little bit just because I want to add a little bit more hair to the actual bangs that they have in the unit, and I'm just using a comb here to help flatten out the rest of that lace, getting everything in place before we start actually styling the unit. And it's so flat and natural looking. Love that pre-cut lace, everything. Okay, so I'm just going to take some hair from here and I'm going to add it to my bangs, just using some scissors, pulling both pieces together just to see how long to cut the actual hair. And then after that I'm going to go ahead and curl it using my curling iron. guys, we are doing a review for Cynosure hair, and today you guys, I am reviewing one of their new curtain bang units. This unit is a body wave unit and I absolutely love it. I love the fact that this came with the rollers already in the front piece. So it really didn't require a lot as far as styling. So if you're looking for something that is a time saver, this will be perfect for you because everything is pretty much done for you already. It already comes in this beautiful body wave texture, and I love the fact that the curls actually stayed in after me installing it and everything. It still stayed very beautiful. It didn't get messed up in the process of installing it. So this unit is actually a completely glueless unit as well, so you don't have to use any product when it comes to installing this, so that's even better for me. And the lace melted perfectly as well. As you guys can see here, the lace is just undetectable and perfect. You know, I have to do the comb method and show you guys, and the comb slides right up underneath there, and you can pull the unit up and down, and you guys can see, like I showed you guys earlier, that this unit is completely glueless. I didn't use any Got2b, I didn't use any lace front glue or anything like that. As far as the construction of this one, it does come with multiple combs. You get about 4 combs in this unit, and it also has an adjustable strap in this unit. You're able to adjust the elastic band, and that is the only band in this unit. It doesn't have the straps in the very back, but it still fits very snug. It also has a comb in the back that you can hook underneath your straps, so that's perfect. And I love the fact that this particular unit has a feature on it that's really convenient for a lot of people who hate when they wear a unit like this and then their ears stick out on the side because of the way that it's constructed. This unit actually has a part on the side. It's like a C curve on the side of the dome cap that is there for your ears. So it goes right around your ears, making it really comfortable. And I really do like that feature about this particular unit because a lot of us have that issue with certain units. You put it on and the straps either have to go on top of your ears or behind your ears. So I like the fact that this unit does have that feature. And I just really love the fact that the hairline on this is so natural. As you guys can see, it's just absolutely perfect. And the lace comes pre-cut as well, so you don't have to worry about cutting the lace off. So this unit was like so quick and easy for me to install. The only thing that I had to do was just like freshen up my bangs a little bit, cut a little bit of extra hair just to add to the bangs. But other than that, everything else is just so beautiful and silky. Like, look how beautiful the color is. It's a nice jet black color. Even with the studio lights, it's not being washed out. It's not like your average brown color. It's literally a jet black. So I love, love, love that. This is what this side looks like. It's just a beautiful body wave texture, as you guys can see. Absolutely love that. And look at the beautiful luster to it. And it's really full as well. It's not thin whatsoever. So we love a nice full unit. Hey you guys, so we have this beautiful curtain bang here that I was able to do. It has a nice curl here at the end. And like I said, I did add a little bit of extra hair to it. And then I added some height to it as well, just to give that like look. I don't have the clips because typically with curtain bangs, you would put the clips right here, but I don't have those clips. So you can use any kind of clips that you have, but something like these wouldn't work because they're just too big and they just have too much texture to them. Like this part comes down and it would end up rippling your hair, so I wouldn't use these. But if you have any flat clips, those will work perfectly. But look how beautiful these bangs are. Nice beautiful curtain bang, and it like falls into my face, as you guys can see. You can also pull them off to the side if you don't want them like covering up your eyes like that. I like the fact that even though this unit came with like a pre-cut lace, you don't see the pre-cut lace. Because typically when a lot of companies, they'll send me like the pre-cut units, I end up having to use like a razor like this to like shave the excess off because it just doesn't look good. But this just looks so good. And it's pre-plucked really well, as you guys can see. The knots are bleached on here. And let's talk about this deep parting space. You have a really deep parting space with this unit. You get a lot of space on here, and it is a true 13x4, so we love that as well. You guys can part it here on this side. Like, look at that. You have a nice deep part. Same on this side. Like, look how natural it looks. It has a very scalp-like appearance to it, and I love that. So if you're somebody who doesn't know how to like bleach the knots in your unit, if you don't even know how to like cut bangs, this is like the perfect unit for you because it's done for you. It fits really snug, so you don't have to use like any product as far as putting it on, and it's a time saver. So if you're going somewhere and you're in a rush and you don't really have time to like sit down and curl your hair for hours and do all of those things, this unit is already ready to wear right out of the package. packaging. And Cynosure, they have really good quality. Every time that I've worked with them, I've always received really good products from them, and I absolutely love it. This one is so pretty, and I do have mine in a 24-inch, you guys. And of course, you know, when it's curled like this, it's gonna look one way, but when you actually pull the hair, you can see that it gets a lot longer. So right now it stops here, but if you pull the hair, it goes all the way, like my belly button's right there. It goes all the way down to my belly button. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit for yourself, you want to see what other products that Cynosure has to offer, definitely click on that link down below for a direct link to this particular unit, along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to Cynosure Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.